Hi, friends.
Can you say hi, friends?
Hi,
Go sit down. Hi, friends. I hope you've had a wonderful January month so far. We have a lot of snow up this way. Well, today we are going to do an unboxing of this kids tool set by Ginmic. Now, we did a kids tool set before, but it was like, it was a different brand, and this is for ages 3 and up. It's almost the same. I kind of unboxed it. It has slightly different tools in it, and different colored bag, and different colored set than the blue one we opened. No, we're gonna share it.
Open it. Whoa! We got a box in a dice.
Whoa, what's in there?
What's in there? Let's get it out.
Here, get in the box.
Whoa! Look at this!
Whoa, let's get it all out. Hey, pick that up. Jamison, pick the toy up.
Okay. Oh.
Whoa, well, that's different than the other toolkit, isn't it? What is that little guy?
What's in there?
Well, that's cool. Let me see.
Whoa.
Very cool. Little saw, and it moves and makes noise. And then you've got a level tool with a little level bubble. Oh yeah, look at that.
Let's get another one.
Oh, look at that. You got a drill. We got another drill. This is the cool one that wasn't in the other tool set. That's pretty cool. You got both of those things right there. And then you got this guy. That looks pretty cool. It spins. And you move it.
What's in it? On the zero. On the zero.
Hey, chair. Thomas, what else is in there? What else is in the bag? Jamison, what's in there?
Hammer?
Pull it out.
Look at it!
Oh, yeah.
It's on Joe.
So, yep, you got pieces like that you can put together. All right. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in there. Look at all that. Those.
Batteries.
You got more drill bits for the drill. So it looks like there's at least 1, 2, 3.
Tiny caps.
Look at that.
No.
That's pretty cool. Oh, I think it does. Yeah, it turns. Nice.
Squeeze the button.
What do you got there, Bubba?
Thomas gotta squeeze the button first.
Oh, look at that.
Squeeze the button.
You can loosen it to like pull it up. The hammer.
Oh! Another hammer. Another hammer. Look at that! There are batteries! No more! More! Batteries!
Oh yeah, more of those, the bolts. Another little saw.
What is this?
Oh, you got a name tag. Super tool set. Your name, gender, age, and department. Has a little clip, so probably clip it somewhere in your bag here, or clip it on your shirt or somewhere. Let's see if I can get this done. So this inside pulls out of the pocket like that. So you've got this nice pocket on the outside. Little Ginmic cover there. Nice sturdy handles, zipper, and just kind of a big open area on the inside. It's a pretty sturdy, nice quality bag with your little name tag and a bunch of tools. I would say compared to the other one we opened, They're very similar, but this one seems to have more items in it. I think I might prefer this one over the other one. I'll leave a link to this one in the description and the other brand. I can't think of the moment what the brand was, but I'll leave them both down below so you can compare for yourself. But I personally, either set would be cool, but I think we'll like this one more. Also, I'm pretty excited because with the boys being twins, they'll each have their own little bag now. We'll have a red one and a blue one in different sets. And it's color coordinated, so these are red and the other set is blue. So instead of them fighting over all the toys all the time, they'll each have their own set. Plus, there's actually quite a bit of stuff in here, so as long as they might fight over this drill a little bit, but otherwise there's a lot that they could occupy themselves while the other one's playing with what they want.
Mine.
Hey, let's share. Hey guys, what do you think?
I like it.
It's pretty cool, huh?
It's awesome.
Do you like it too, Jamison? They really did enjoy the other tool set too, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna have a blast. Hammering away.
A daddy wheel.
Is that like Daddy's tools? Say thank you, friends.
Thank you, friends. Thank you, friends. Goodbye.
Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. I hope you're all staying safe out there and having a wonderful week and the weekend to come. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe.